Hi friends, I'm Kaylin, a nutrition educator for CalFresh Healthy Living for the University of California Cooperative Extension, and welcome to Harvest of the Month. This month we'll be learning about zucchini. Zucchini is part of the same family as melons, pumpkins, cucumbers, and gourds. The Spanish name for zucchini is calabacín. Zucchini is a type of summer squash, which are eaten when they're still immature, small, and have a soft rind. Zucchini is the most common variety of summer squash. Zucchini is usually dark green, but can vary from light green, yellow, multicolored, or striped. Interestingly, in Great Britain, zucchini is referred to as vegetable marrow. Summer squash are completely edible. That includes the skin, the seeds, the flesh, either raw or cooked. Like squash, zucchini are referred to as vegetables, but botanically, they're actually immature fruit. Native Americans introduced squash to European settlers as one of the three sisters. This refers to the three indigenous plants used in agriculture. This includes corn, beans, and squash. Although most squash varieties were brought from America to Europe, zucchini originated in Italy due to spontaneous mutations. Zucchini arrived in California with Italian immigrants in the 1920s. California ranks third in the nation for winter and summer squash production, producing 17% of the nation's supply. A half cup of sliced zucchini, or about 1 cupped handful, is a great source of vitamin C, as well as a source of manganese, potassium, and vitamin B6. Vitamin C helps your body heal cuts and wounds. It also helps your body absorb more iron found in fruit. Manganese is an essential mineral involved in the formation of bones. Vitamin B6 is important for keeping the nervous and immune system healthy. Potassium helps maintain healthy blood pressure. Zucchini is a warm season crop that can easily grow in nearly all regions of California. Zucchini plants can withstand up to 100 degrees Fahrenheit, but do not grow well under 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Fun fact, honeybees are the primary pollinators of zucchini flowers. Anyone else getting hungry? Check out the link below for this zucchini pizza boat from foodhero.org. What's your favorite zucchini recipe? Zucchinis are one of my favorite vegetables. I hope they're one of yours too. I often add them in my baking to make zucchini bread. Remember, the Spanish name for zucchini is calabacín. Thank you for joining us on the Spotlight of Zucchini as our harvest of the month. How will you enjoy zucchini this month? See if you can find zucchini in your school cafeteria, at the grocery store, or in the garden. Thanks for watching. See you next month!